When it comes to hosting an outdoor movie night, popcorn and blankets are essential, but so is the screen you'll be using. Although one can simply project onto their garage door or other surface in their backyard, outdoor movie screens are helpful because they provide a flat surface and oftentimes enhance the visuals. Plus, they allow you to get the best possible picture out of your projector. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 outdoor movie screens on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MD Bebron 120-inch projection screen. For an outdoor movie screen that won't break the bank, this 120-inch foldable one is a solid choice. We were impressed with the screen's quick setup, thanks to its simple instructions. It only took us 10 minutes during our first use and 3 minutes each time after. All we did was fix the included adhesive hooks to our shed door and put the screen grommets through them. We left the hooks up, so the only setup needed for subsequent uses was hanging the screen again. As for the screen's durability, there was slight rippling that occurred when there was a breeze that took place. Although the rippling was noticeable, it wasn't distracting and the screen remained in place the entire time. When it comes to the screen's quality, we were pleasantly surprised by how we couldn't see any of the ridges on our shed door through the screen. Number 2. Elite Screens Yard Master 2. Overall, the best outdoor movie screen is this freestanding pick from Elite Screens. We were able to set up the screen relatively quickly in 25 minutes during our first use and in 20 minutes during our other 2 uses. The reason our first assembly took slightly longer was that the instructions were unclear when it came to the steps for installing the screen's legs. It is important to note that setting up this outdoor movie screen is easier when done with 2 people because of its larger size. When it came to testing the screen's durability, we didn't experience any disruptions when viewing. Had it been a windy day when testing, we could have used the screen's rope and ground stakes for additional stability. In terms of quality, we noticed many wrinkles on the screen, especially when using it the first time. Although the wrinkles were apparent, they didn't take away from our viewing experience. Number 3. Holiday Styling 19FT Outdoor Projector Screen. If you're looking for an inflatable option, this pick from Holiday Styling is one of the best outdoor movie screens we tested. The setup was easy and took us between 10 to 15 minutes each time. All we had to do was tie the frame to the included fan before plugging it into an outlet and turning it on. Once the frame was inflated, we stuck the screen onto the frame with a touch fastener. Although the fan did produce a sound, it wasn't too loud and didn't cause any disruptions. The screen came with ground stakes for extra stability, but we didn't need to use them as there wasn't enough wind to warrant their use. We noticed some wrinkles on the screen, but we think they could be avoided, depending on how careful you are when securing the screen. Regardless, the wrinkles we observed did not negatively affect our viewing experience provided by the screen. Number 4. Elite Screens Yard Master Plus. Thanks to its storage bag, we were impressed with this freestanding outdoor movie screen's ability to be transported to different locations. While it needed to be completely assembled and disassembled each time we used it, we appreciated that we were able to move it back and forth depending on where we placed the projector, which we liked. However, when we wanted to adjust its height by moving the screen up and down, we had to remove the back screws, which was time-consuming. The screen's instructions were very clear and easy to follow, though, which was a bonus. The ground stakes that were included were very helpful in keeping the screen stable despite the breeze that came our way during testing. We noticed some wrinkles each time we set up the movie screen, and while they were visible during the daytime, we weren't able to see them when viewing a movie at night. Number 5. Elite Screens Manual B, 120 INCH. For a pull-down outdoor movie screen that will have you watching movies outside in a matter of minutes, we recommend this option from Elite Screens. Out of all the screens we tested, this pick required the least amount of time to assemble at about 5 minutes during our first use and 1 second for the other 2. We liked that the screen came mostly assembled, so all we had to do was place it where we wanted. It's important to note that this screen requires screws, so it's not portable and you'll need to have a spot you're able to drill holes into. We attached the movie screen to a wall, but it can also hang from the ceiling. The screen came with 2 screws, although we added 4 more of our own, for a total of 6, to ensure it would be secure. We also needed 2 people to successfully set up this screen. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.